Hi everyone, I'm Chimbe and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make ruffled socks using double knit acrylic yarn and a 4mm hook. This is the easiest way to make these socks. The measurement you're going to need is the length of your foot from the toe, the big toe, to the heel, which is the red line on the diagram. I made other socks before, so you can just go into that playlist to check out the other socks that you can look at. So the first thing you're going to do is make a magic ring and pull your yarn and then chain 1. Then work 10 double crochets into the magic ring. To increase, you can add stitches in multiples of 2, or if you want to decrease, you can reduce in multiples of 2 when you're working in the magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're going to close your magic ring and then slip stitch into the first half double crochet and then chain 1. And in the same stitch you're going to work 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. The chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. And then work 2 half double crochets all round in all the stitches, in each of the stitches. So you're going to work 2 half double crochets in each of the stitches all round. And then you're going to slip stitch into the first half double crochet and pull through. And then the next round you're going to chain 1 again and work a half double crochet in the same stitch, 1, and then a half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So first half double crochet and then second half double crochet. And then in the 4th stitch you're going to work 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. So 1 and 2. And then in the next 3 stitches you're going to work 1 half double crochet in each stitch, 1 in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, 3. And then in the 4th stitch you're going to work 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Continue until the end of the round. So 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and in the following stitch 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, and continue until the end of the round. And your last stitch should be 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. And you're done with that round, and you're going to slip stitch at the top of your first half double crochet and you're done. This is the toe part of your socks. Now we're going to just work all the stitches around until we have 2/3 the size of your foot. So it won't be the full size of a foot, it will just be 2/3 of the size of a foot. So you're going to chain one. So the next round will just be, there will be no increase or decrease. We're just going to work the stitches. If you're going to chain one and work a half double crochet in the same stitch. So you're always going to start with a half double crochet in the same stitch and then just work one half double crochet in all the stitches around. You're now at the end of the round and you're going to slip stitch at the top of the chain 2. So from here on you're going to repeat this round 4, until you have 2/3 the size of your foot. So you're just going to repeat round 4, work your 25 stitches all round, and always start with a half double crochet in the same stitch and then one half double crochet in the next stitch. So I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to work my rounds, and then I'm going to come back and we can work the heel of the sock, and I'll see you when I'm done. So I'm now done with my first part of the sock. This is 2/3 of my sock and it's 6 inches. My full foot is 9 inches. And now we're going to make the heel. So you're going to chain one and half double crochet in the same stitch, and then half double crochet 17 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so this will be the opening, and this is how we're going to fold our sock. And now we're going to chain one and turn and work the 17 stitches again, and we're going to work this section until you have the full size of your foot. So remember, this is 2/3, so that will be 1/3, and then the total size of your foot. So now I'm done with my heel. This is how your sock should look like at this point. And then we're going to turn it inside out, so which is the wrong side, as you can see. And then we're just going to join this section using a slip stitch. So you're going to slip stitch through the first stitch into the loop, and pull through, and then through the second loop, through both loops and pull through, and third loop and pull through, and continue until you have closed this section. and then cut your yarn, which you're going to weave in, right? And then you're going to turn your sock back to the right side, and now we're going to work the ruffles. This is the fun part. So I normally start where I have the seam already, and I'm going to insert my hook and pull through the yarn, and then chain 1 and work a half double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, I'm just going to carry this yarn through so I don't have to weave it in, and then just work half double crochets in the rows. So the rows will be your where you insert your stitches. So work half double crochets across the rows, and yeah, and I'm now at the end of my round, and I'm just going to work my final stitch and then slip stitch through at the top of the first double crochet. We're going to work 3 more rows of half double crochet before we start the ruffle. So you're going to start with a half double crochet in the same stitch and 1 double crochet in all the stitches all round. So go ahead and pause the video and go work your additional 3 rows to make a total of 4. Then we're going to come back and we're going to start the ruffle rows. So I'm now done with my 4 rows of half double crochets. Now I'm going to work the ruffle. So the ruffle will be the next 3 rows. So you're going to chain 1 and work a double crochet in the same stitch and another double crochet in the same stitch. So we're basically going to work 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. So in the next stitch, you're going to work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochets until the end of the round, and you're going to repeat this round 2 more times. So in total you're going to have 3 rounds of 2 double crochets in each stitch, and you will be done.
Here's my ruffle. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you for being here and subscribing. Until next time, thank you for watching.